Showing my chef jacket from Blue Ribbon Cooking School, Seattle, approximately 2007-2008. I'm filming this over 15 years later on Wednesday, 22 January 2025. I'm Tanis Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. I'm going to show my chef jacket from when I attended Blue Ribbon Cooking School on Lake Union in Seattle, Washington State. I attended the school, Italian cooking slash food, Italian food slash cooking. The summer between either my freshman and sophomore years of high school, which was the summer of 2007, or my sophomore and junior years of high school, summer of 2008. I did not attend it both years, so this is why there's a slash between 2007 and 2008. It was a summer I was in high school and I didn't have my driver's license yet. So it was 2007 or 2008. In addition to the chef jacket, I also left with a chef knife and a diploma. Yes. And so yeah, it was a week-long course and it was approximately 8 hours a day, and we cooked a bunch of different things, and then after every cooking session we got to eat what we cook. And so we did stuff like there were the basics of learning vegetable preparation. We made our own pasta dough and our own noodles and made pasta. We made our own pizza dough and pizzas. And then we went through at least a tutorial on making our own mozzarella, and we made our own risotto. And so it was stuff like that. It was very Italian cuisine. And so, but this movie is about the jacket, which I still actually have. So this is my first chef jacket that I got back in 2007, 2008, embroidered with my name on it from the cooking school. And I still have it, and it even has the little fork on it, and then there I did manage to stain it on the back during cooking school. So there's a little stain here, and there's a stain down here. Should I full view? So this is my chef jacket from Blue Ribbon Cooking School, Italian cooking slash food cuisine. It was fun, and we got to eat a lot of food, make a lot of food, learn a lot, and it was a very different experience. And I had done a junior naturalist camp at the zoo, I think 2 years when I was in the summers I was in middle school, and so and that was at Woodland Park Zoo in Seattle. And like one year I got to paint a mural in one of the classrooms on campus at the zoo, and then we painted a bust mural a different year, and the bust murals changed with time and stuff like that. But then this was like, it was a different manifestation of my art in food, and so I very much enjoyed it. And when I was in high school, for a couple years, I actually would cook dinners for my family. Like it was part of chores, but it was like one that I did. It was the only offspring to do that, was cook my family dinner, and that was part of my chores. For, like, you know, I also had vacuuming and stuff like that. But I would make dinner sometimes 3 to 5 times a week. So yeah, so this was kind of a fun way to take that into a more traditional setting. Including the clothing. And I had a chef knife, which has since it's somewhere, whether with me or my soulmates or whatever. And then I also got a diploma. We actually had a diploma. At the end of the course, we even had a kind of an Iron Chef style cooking competition between they put us in different groups and we cooked against each other. So it was pretty fun. So that's showing my chef jacket from Blue Ribbon Cooking School, Seattle, approximately 2007-2008.